2 years ago I was stuck in a job paying barely enough to cover bills, feeling overwhelmed and hopeless. Everything changed when a friend casually mentioned earning $10,000 a month working in cybersecurity. Intrigued yet skeptical, I took a leap, diving into this lucrative field with no previous experience. Fast forward to today, I've earned over $10,000 in just 1 month, working entirely from home. With digital threats skyrocketing, companies urgently need cybersecurity experts, creating immense opportunities. This guide reveals exactly how I achieved this financial transformation and how you can replicate my success. Cybersecurity protects digital information from theft or damage, encompassing various techniques and practices designed to safeguard data, networks, and systems. With cyber threats growing exponentially, businesses globally face increased risks and massive financial damages, creating unprecedented demand for cybersecurity professionals. Key terminology beginners should know includes malware, which is malicious software, phishing, which refers to fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information, ethical hacking, which is authorized hacking to uncover vulnerabilities, and ransomware, which is software designed to block access to systems until money is paid. Understanding these basics positions you to enter the market confidently, ready to leverage your knowledge for income generation. Gaining cybersecurity skills doesn't need to be expensive or lengthy. Excellent free or low-cost resources include platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Cybrary. Notably, certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, and Cisco Certified CyberOps Associate offer credibility and are attainable through affordable online courses. Self-paced study resources, interactive labs, and virtual simulations, such as Try Hack Me or Hack the Box, allow you to practice real-world cybersecurity scenarios quickly. Utilizing these resources strategically can help you rapidly build the expertise required to start making substantial income. Ethical hacking, authorized penetration testing to identify vulnerabilities, often freelance roles paying $50 to $150 per hour. Vulnerability assessment. Systematically reviewing security weaknesses, commonly needed in full-time analyst roles, with salaries starting at $80,000 annually. Penetration testing involves actively exploiting system vulnerabilities. It's a highly lucrative field, especially for freelancing and consulting roles, which can pay $100 an hour or even more. Network security is all about protecting digital networks. It's absolutely essential for companies. Typical roles in this field include network security engineers, who can earn between $90,000 and $120,000 annually. Cybersecurity analytics focuses on analyzing threat data to predict and prevent breaches. This area is becoming increasingly vital, offering high-paying roles like security analysts, with salaries often exceeding $100,000 annually. Mastering these skills directly opens pathways to high-paying jobs and lucrative freelance opportunities. Showcasing your skills practically through a professional portfolio significantly increases your marketability. Engage in simulated projects through platforms like Try Hack Me, build a GitHub repository featuring your cybersecurity projects, and offer freelance services on Upwork or Fiverr to accumulate real-world experience. Clearly documented results, completed assessments, and positive client reviews form a compelling showcase of your expertise to prospective employers and clients. Create a standout resume emphasizing practical skills and relevant projects. Optimize your LinkedIn profile highlighting cybersecurity expertise and certifications. Actively engage with cybersecurity job portals like CyberSeek, Dice, and Indeed, or freelance platforms such as Upwork. Prepare thoroughly for interviews by practicing responses, understanding common industry challenges, and demonstrating proactive problem-solving abilities during client pitches or interviews. Freelancing offers flexibility, potentially higher earnings per project and greater autonomy, but requires self-discipline, consistent client acquisition, and handling of variable income. Traditional employment provides steady income, structured benefits, professional growth opportunities, and lower financial risk. Freelancing could easily surpass employment earnings, like $150 per hour or more, though employment offers stability with average cybersecurity salaries ranging from $90,000 to $150,000 annually. Increase your income by obtaining advanced certifications like CSP or OSCP, specialize in niche areas such as cloud cybersecurity or AI-driven security solutions, and leverage these qualifications to justify premium rates. Negotiation skills, emphasizing your specialized expertise and demonstrated results, will allow you to confidently set and maintain higher rates. Passive income opportunities include creating a cybersecurity-focused blog, monetized with affiliate links, launching a YouTube channel covering cybersecurity topics and tutorials, developing online cybersecurity courses, or writing ebooks on cybersecurity practices. These avenues build additional income streams, contributing significantly to your monthly earnings over time. Common pitfalls include inadequate portfolio presentation, undervaluing your services, neglecting continuous learning, and ineffective client communication. Avoid these by regularly updating your portfolio, consistently acquiring new skills, strategically pricing your services, and clearly communicating your value. Earning $10,000 monthly from cybersecurity isn't just achievable. It's realistic with clear, disciplined action. Follow this structured guide, continuously refine your skills, proactively pursue opportunities, and remain resilient through challenges. Your financial freedom awaits, fueled by cybersecurity expertise and the strategic pursuit of opportunities. Ready to begin your journey to financial freedom? Subscribe now, leave a comment, and gain immediate access to exclusive cybersecurity resources and practical tools designed to accelerate your success. Subscribe for more high-income strategies. Comment below if you have questions, and I will personally respond.